Priyansh Gowda from Wine International School, and this is a model of how to conserve the water by purifying it with the help of sand, coal and alum. First of all, suppose it is a pond, and this water is being we will be connecting a tank which will be connecting in the basement of our house, and all the waste material of such as soap water will be coming in this, and will be going in this tank. And suppose this is a now this water with the help of motor will be coming in the tank 1, which is the sedimentation tank. In the sedimentation tank we have put sand. Sand is a good absorber of all the impurities, and it is a natural absorber. After getting as the water will get pure in the sand, it will be going to move in the tank 2, which is loading tank. And in the loading tank we have put coal. Coal is a good absorber, and we have to put the coal in a filter paper. Like I have not put it in the filter paper, these we can see the black sheets which are being coming in the pure water. This water is pure, but still the blackish color of the water has become because of the coal. So to pure this, we will be going to take an alum. Suppose this is an alum, and we will be just rotating it twice so that all the impurities settle down. And when these impurities will be going to settle down, we will be going to have the pure form of water like this. And this water can be used for watering plants and washing the cars, and even for brushing, etc. And after, as we have made two models, this one is for household use and this one is for commercial use. This technique is less amount, and it is cheaper and it is expensive.
Okay. So how it works?
Good morning, myself is Abhishek from the International School. My project name is Sewage Treatment Plant. First of all the domestic wastewater coming from the colonies come to the grit chamber. And in grit chamber, grit means sand and clay. Sand and clay is a high particles, so they stay down, and the above water comes in the oil and grease trap. In this chamber, oil and grease are removed by sedimentation of the grit and chamber water. Then it comes to the collection tank. Then through a pump, the water goes into the FAB, fluorized aerobic biological reactor. In this BioPak media are there, which help to develop bacteria in 24 hours properly. And we have used two reactors to prevent short circuit. And then the water goes to the tube setter. In this tube media there you can see the black one, which gives shape to the, and all the particles and bacteria stay down, and then it goes to the south. In south the pure water is there, but then also some bacteria are there. Then the water goes through a pipe in dual media filter. In dual media filter, sand and active carbon is there. In this, then in the water, all the smell and all the properties of sand removes, and then again the water comes in the grit chamber. And this water can be used in gardening, in the house, and in flushing. And it's not for drinking because its parameters do not match with the drinking water, so we can't take it. Thank you.